Hi guys, bradamckinnon here, a drywall finisher, plasterer and jib stopper living here in New Zealand, and today we're talking about the Wallboard Tools speed filler pump. This nice light pump is used for filling your flat box straight out of the bucket, and this is my first time using it, and just look at how easy that pulls the mud into the tube. If you have or use a compound tube, you'll know it's not the easiest pulling mud into that compound tube, but completely different with these speed filler pumps. Just look how easy that goes up the tube there. Just real minimal effort and straight into the box, and we're filling that box up straight in there, nice and full within 2 fills, and it's done. And it really is surprisingly good to use and cheap as well. It's 100 New Zealand dollars, which is about 60 US dollars, and yeah, there's absolutely nothing to them. Just a bit of tube and a pump and a handle, and the best thing about them is that they're just really easy to clean. So really handy for sort of small jobs where you don't want to use your full pump, because the pumps are quite a bit of a pain to clean, you know. The other alternative is, like here, is filling by hand, which is what I was doing for a while there on the smaller jobs where I didn't want to get the pump out. But of course, filling by hand, you've got to unscrew the box. Sometimes you've got to take those pressure plate springs off, and yeah, it's a bit slow. The other way here is obviously using your pump, which is pretty quick, but it's just the hassle of cleaning up on those smaller jobs. So this is a great alternative. Really lightweight, easy to handle. It's under 1 kg. So, and of course the beauty of it is the cleaning side of things. So again, just showing you here, we're filling the 300ml box, and it's just the ease of use. It's 600ml long, and you can fill the box within two fills of the tube. So really simple, really easy to clean. Highly recommend it for those smaller jobs. Just real handy to have in the toolkit, and for running, you know, this job here was just sort of a main living area, and just didn't want to get the pump out. That was the main thing. And the main thing again is just how easy you can suck the mud into the tube. Really easy. So great little tool to have in the kit. Highly recommend it. Get that from Wallboard Tools. Get that around the world. And this was a nice quick little video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you get one of these? Do you have one? Love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.